things are like this on NFP, let me just repeat again. If things are like this on NFP, this will be my signal. Perfect. We're good to go. So, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all. I hope each and every one of you is having an awesome time today. If you can hear me, just drop me a beautiful fire emoji on the comment section. It's that Omar JJ, the trader from the villages, the only code that is a Jaguar, Umalume Forex. I haven't been hosting any of these, but Volt Market said, bruh, come back, man. People need some help. People need some more understanding on Forex. So I decided to come back and just do one of these. If you have not yet joined with Volt Market, just use the link that I've just shared with you right now on under the comment section. And that way you're going to be able to be part of the team and get yourself the VVIP signals from Jaguar. So today's meeting is about NFP. As you all know that on Friday, you're going to be having NFP, guys. So I decided that let me break some few pairs for you relating to NFP. As you all know, thank you for fire emojis. Thank you for fire emojis. Thank you for fire emojis. Revolt, I see you. Apriot, I see you. Abdi Rasid, I see you. Spova, I see you. Black Ball, I see you. Vilakazi, I see you. Lebuchang, I see you. Litabo, I see you. I see you guys. Thank you. Big shout out. So I'm gonna be doing first on first. I'm gonna be doing what we call DXY. So DXY is gonna be our structure. It's gonna be guys, the way I'm so good at analyzing. Damn, bro. Damn. I even get mad at myself sometimes. That's how good I am. Okay, that's the Zoom call. That's a Zoom call. I'm already here, bro. Thank you so much for reminding me. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start with simple thing called the DXY. DXY is gonna help us know if gold, if the dollar is strong or not. So DXY is gonna help us know if the dollar is strong or not. So if the dollar is strong, we're gonna be expecting more buys on the USD base currency. If the dollar is weak, you're gonna be expecting more sells on the USD code currency. So basically that is it. It's simple and straightforward, very easy. I've been saying this. If you are part of my YouTube, you're gonna just listen to me saying the very same thing. So let me just also do this. I see I have people who are busy drawing on my screen. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because I'm doing this thing for free. I'm not even paid for this. I'm helping you. But don't do that. Table manners. Chat manners. So there we go. There you have it. So dismiss. Okay. So as I was explaining, if the we're gonna be analyzing the DXY. If the dollar is positive, means we're gonna be expecting positivity from the USD based currency. If the dollar is the DXY is negative, that means we're gonna be expecting negativity from the dollar. So its code is gonna be actually positive. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see. So as you know, every time when we analyze, we clear off all the drawings and start looking at the history. The history is actually very clean and straightforward. The dollar is still gonna get a lot of strength. Me, by looking at this, damn, bro. The dollar is gonna go to greener pastures. Yo. I'm already expecting buys on USD first during NFP. I'm already expecting buys on USD. I'm expecting sells on USD second. USD first. You see, if I were to give a signal, NFP signal, I'll do this. But now anything can change when the wick is still low, so anything is possible. So I'd give this signal. I'll say XX. I'll say USD XX buy and XXX USD sell. This would be my currently currently this would be my signal. This would be my signal for NFP. Currently, I'd use this as my signal for NFP. Based on the reason being, if a person were to ask me, I'm still seeing continuations on buys on the DXY. So let's see now. What would cause the DXY to start selling? That would be the question that a beginner would ask me. Jaguar, then what would cause DXY to start selling? Simple and straightforward. DXY is only going to sell here. DXY is only going to sell if the market breaks 1003.371 and retest that position. So I'm saying to you, DXY is only going to sell if we do this, we break impulsively, retest, and then from there, we're going to be expecting sells. Currently, if the DXY has failed several times to break this trend line of ours, my strategy doesn't allow me to say DXY is negative. At this time and moment, my strategy allows me to say a resistance, which was here, has simply turned into a support. So I'm looking for entries in a different direction. I'm looking for buys. At this time and moment, if I were to enter a trade, I would actually be looking for buying opportunities from this. Godfather, no, you wants to record, you're gonna get it on YouTube. It's gonna be on YouTube. It's gonna be on YouTube. So that's basically it. So that's how we go. I hope you guys are enjoying this. So every time when I see something of this nature, it's very much easier for me to start chopping. I can chop everything when I see something like this. Very much easy for me to start chopping. I can chop a chopper. Every time when I see something like this of this nature, it becomes very much easy for me to start chopping. What do I mean by chopping? I mean to say it becomes very much easier for me to start making more informative and more decisive decisions from the entries that I would have taken. Everyone is going to get an opportunity to get the NFP signal. So now I move forward. So give me any pair that is USD based. Any pair that is USD based. I want you guys to also participate on the comment section. So give me any pair that is USD based in order for us to move forward. Give me any pair that is USD based that I can now start looking into. So I see the first person that commented said USD CHF. So saying USD CHF. Let's just then do USD CHF. been a while since I last got the gold signal. If there's no setup, I cannot give the signal, because if I do give the signal and you blow, you will blame me and my integrity. So we do not rush to trade here. We only trade when there's a setup. If there's no setup, we don't trade. That's basically it. That's the reason why my winning string is always very high, because I don't trade when there is no reason for me to trade. I trade only when there's a reason for me to trade. Oh, I wanted to predict first before I moved into it. So as you can see, man, at the time and moment, I'd say there's nothing much happening here. Do you guys enjoy trading things like this? Like, for example, this, like, there's a person who started commenting and said USDCHF. Do you enjoy trading things like this? Do you make money from this? Like, do you enjoy trading something like this? Like, I don't know. Because me, I don't. So, do you enjoy trading things like this? You open a chart, you see something like, do you enjoy trading it? Like, I don't know if I'm the one who's boring or what, but I don't enjoy trading things like this. I don't. Literally, I don't. So what would happen? I sell here, I must go out here. I buy here, I must go out here. I must sell here, go out here, buy here, go. Like, what's happening here? Do you enjoy trading this? Because you're making me analyze it. I guys know. I should have just done my pairs. Right. USDI, guys. USDCHF, USD CAD, guys. I rest, man. Why don't you trade major pairs? Why don't you guys trade major pairs? Like, we have major pairs, guys. Let me show you 4 major pairs. Why don't you guys trade major pairs, guys? We're talking about Euro USD. We're talking about USD JPY. We're talking about GBP USD. We're talking about USD CHF. Fine. It's part of the major pairs, but look how it has become. And this thing did not even happen once. It was happening for quite some time. No one likes to trade this. But then when we're talking about big boys, like, for example, GBP USD, those are big boys pairs. GBP, you can become a millionaire with GBP USD. GBP USD. These are big boys pairs, bro. These are big boys. Look, these are big boys pairs, bro. These are big boys pairs. And even right now, look, this is amazing. I'm looking for sells on GBP USD. You see, I've entered this. I'm looking at it right now. I'm seeing an opportunity as it stands that I can literally grab a sell right now and even over risk on my sell. Look, I'm seeing a very beautiful opportunity. This was supposed to happen here, but it did not happen. But here is it. Here we are. We don't give up as traders. We don't give up as traders. We don't give up. We're always looking for opportunities. We don't give up as traders. I'm looking for sells, because why? A person would ask me, a beginner will say, Jaguar, why are you looking for sells? I'm looking for sells because I was supporting, I'm now resisting. Twice I'm resisting. So I'm looking at this as a sell. I'm looking for sells. And most of the people are gonna get this as a buy, but I'm looking for sells. It might spike up a little bit to play the people who are gonna be expecting it to buy. But those who are gonna be expecting it to buy, look at the disadvantages of your buys. Let me show you why this thing is not gonna buy now, because it has not broken out of this trend line. It's only gonna buy once it breaks and tests and goes up. That's the only time when I'm gonna be looking for buys. Currently, I'm looking for sells because I'm still under. And worst part, I'm not. This is my stop loss here. One, my stop loss. My second stop loss is here. I'm looking for sells because I have two things that says this thing is not gonna buy or is not buying. I have two reasons. The first reason is that it has not broken up the main diagonal resisting trend line. The second thing is that it has failed currently to break above the support structure that it had created before, not to break above. It had failed to break above the support structure, or to bounce, not break above, but to bounce from the support structure that it has created previously. However, what it did, it bounced below that support structure, creating, or rather changing that support into what we call a resistance. Danko, please. Yes. Loving this Zoom section. Thank you. Thank you. I'm loving the Zoom session. Thank you. GBP USD, like I told you, it's a big boys pairs. Euro USD, big boys pairs. Those are big boys. I don't know why did they put USD CHF and not put Euro USD here. I don't know why. The four major, it's just because this, I don't know, it's because of this article, because different articles have different ways of explaining stuff. So the four major pairs are some of the most actively traded pairs in the world, alongside the so-called commonly pairs is the USD CAD, Audi USD, and NZD USD. Or else, there is Euro USD. There is Euro USD. So let's get it. As you can see, so let me give you a tip. Look at the screen. If from today you can stay away from the NASDAQ, stay away from the US 30, focus on the four major pairs, excluding USD CAD, because I just don't like it. If you like it, you can continue trading. And trade XAU USD. Trust me, your life can change tremendously. Don't rush to make money quickly. Use proper risk management each and every time when you are trading. Use proper risk management. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Always have what we call a trading plan. Have an outward and a skeleton. Have everything, all the components of a human being is in the not all the components, but the structural components. They are forming part of what we call a skeleton. So have that and feed your account with what? With the body parts now, with the body parts, with the meat and everything that, the organs, everything that the body has. Feed it with that, which is now dollars in the right way to put it, which is now dollars. So that's what you guys must do, man. That's what you guys must do. So I trust you from today that most of the things you're gonna fix, man. Most of the things you're gonna fix. So always join me, man, on sessions like this. I'm gonna be doing more of these. We have 93 participants on the building. Big shout out to all the 93 of you guys. I welcome you, and I hope you guys are enjoying this. And yeah. Yes, have patience. So let me do another pair. Malume, always the best when it comes to analysis. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. I'll share this session on YouTube. Thank you, Jaguar, for this Zoom session. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll do more of them. Thank you. Sign up with the broker, man, that I recommend, which is Volt Markets currently. There is the link. Click that link, save it, sign up, start trading. Volt Markets told me, man, they said, but bro, you need to help people. People are blowing accounts. You guys don't tell me that you are busy blowing accounts. You guys don't tell me that you are busy blowing accounts. Guys, I sign up with your broker, Jack. I don't have a broker, me. I don't have a broker. If I had a broker, yes. Okay. So let's move right along. Go to let me just do USD JPY. It's one of the major pairs. I don't understand why USD JPY is one of the major pairs, because like, damn. Let me show you. Let me show you one ZAR to JPY. This is, but there's some that doesn't make sense to me. You see, it's 7 rands 89, ne? You need 7 rand, you need 789 Japanese yen in order to get 1 South African rand, ne? But look at this. Let me just say USD to ZAR. It's trading at 18 rands, ne? Put that at the back of your mind. Then we say USD to JPY. I don't understand this. Why is there such a big difference? Why is ew? That's such a big, like, that's a huge big difference. I don't understand, but it's fine. It's fine. It's still forming part of the major pairs. So basically, if you are part of my YouTube channel, you should know that Jaguar said USD JPY is gonna buy until Jesus comes back, and has been buying. So that means gold is gonna keep on selling until Jesus comes back, and it has been selling. So basically, what most of the people always have problems with is that you want a trade now. You don't wanna look into the market in a long run. Looking into the market in a long run will help you not make a lot of mistakes. You can just analyze and not take even a single trade and see if your winning ratio or your analysis ratio is spot on, or it's always smoking weed. So we have a double top there at the top, as you can see. So when you have a double top at the top, we are anticipating two things. That if we fail to break, we're going to start selling. But if we break, we're going to continue buying. So currently, I'll remove this because it's going to confuse the hell out of most of you guys. So let me just then do this. Let me just then do this. We have a playground, a very beautiful playground, the so-called support structure, and the so-called resistance structure at the top. So-called support structure and the so-called resistance structure. So there we have it. So with USD JPY, let's just give it time. See how it reacts. Let's give it time. Simple and straightforward. I'm teaching you guys patience now. If we come here, we break, we test, we're looking for sells. If we come there, we pass, we come test, we're looking for buys. Simple. Simple. Currently, there is no entry on USD JPY. I'm teaching you patience, and you guys are going to learn to be patient. Currently, there is nothing that is happening on USD JPY. Malume, thank you for the session. When will it prepare? When will you be back in the VAL? I'll come for a visit. I'll come for a visit. Always great. I missed the Jaguar Wednesdays. We back again, bruh. Back by popular demand. You guys have been. We reached the peak, ladies and gentlemen. We are on 100 participants. Big shout outs, man. Thank you so much for everyone who's here, man. We reached the peak. We reached the peak. We reached the peak. We're on 100 participants. If you are here, clap your hands for yourself, man. Clap your hands for yourself. We have 100 participants on the game. We have 100 participants. I would ask for Vault to give us a paid version of Zoom so that we have more than 100 participants on our Zooms. Big shout out, man. Big shout out, man. Big shout out. Big shout out. Big shout out, man. Big shout out. Big shout out. Big shout out. Can I get some fire emojis? Drop me some fire emojis. Drop me some fire emojis. Drop me. Don't be jealous. Why are you jealous? We got some fire emojis coming in, man. Much love. Before we go, let us then look into the NAS 100 and your USD. NAS 100 for you. Dango, please. Dango. Your NAS 100. Your NAS 100. And I'm also going to take at least one participant who's going to speak with me. Yo, NAS 100 is a buy, guys. So simple and straightforward. I used to use these eyes when I was trading NAS 100 a lot. NAS 100 is a buy, guys. It's a buy. And nothing can change that. NAS 100 is just a buy. It's trying to play with the beginners. If you are a beginner, it's trying to play with you. If you are an amateur, it's trying to play with you. NAS 100 is a buy. If you are holding buys on NAS 100, dango. If you are holding buys on NAS 100, dango. That's the way to go. That's the way to go. If you are holding buys on NAS 100, I've never seen such a great opportunity to trade. This is a very beautiful trading opportunity. This is a very beautiful trading opportunity. Very beautiful one. Like, there's nothing cleaner than this. You can never get something cleaner than this. It's a very beautiful trading opportunity. Do told you already, man. I don't know what you mean by that. I don't understand. And you try to explain. That's a beautiful buy. With my eyes right now, it's beautiful buy. It's a beautiful buy. It's a beautiful. This is my favorite pair. That's why it's a beautiful buy. Let the howlers catch the small moves. Let the howlers, even if the howlers are howling. Hey guys, that's a beautiful buy. Yo, this buy is so beautiful. I can't wait for it to spike down and start buying. I can't wait for that to happen. Because it's gonna spike down and start buying. So whoever who's celebrate is gonna spike down and start buying. Celebrate the buys. If you are having the sells currently, that's a scalp. That's a scalp trade. A very risky trade. A very risky scalp sell, which is also very beautiful. But overall, I'm seeing the buys. Who wants to speak with me? Raise your hand quickly. Let's speak together. Let's get to know each other quickly before I go. I have just under 4 minutes before I go. So raise your hand quickly if you want to speak to me. If you want to greet me. I see FX Gura. Set on your side. Hello.
Hola, hola.
Okay, let me remove my mic. Hello. Oh, FX Gura. What's happening? Raise your hand if you want to speak to me. Capiraru. Hello?
Hello, Jaguar.
Okay. Let me put the earphones on the mic. Try again. Yeah, I can hear you
Hello,
now.
Jaguar.
Are you good, my brother?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm amazing, man. Where are you calling us from?
I'm calling you from Newlands, West Durban.
Oh, Newlands, West Devon. Oh, okay. How do I help you today?
Yes.
How do I help you?
Yes, Jaguar. Yesterday I saw the dollar going up and I was wondering, will it go up on NFP also?
I just talked about it right now. There is the analysis I just talked about, DXY. I said currently, bruh, I'm expecting this the signal I'll give. You remember I said this Zoom is about NFP. So If things are like this on NFP, let me just repeat again. If things are like this on NFP, this will be my signal. USD, this will be my signal. USD first, it's a buy, and USD second, it's a sell. If things stay like this, so that means every pair that has USD as a base currency, I'm expecting it to buy because currently the DXY is very strong.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Jaguar.
Danko, my brother. Danko, my brother. Take care.
I'll take care of you too.
Tando, accept on your side.
Hey Jaguar, how's it, man?
I'm good, Tando. How are you today?
I'm good, I'm good. I'm the guy who suggested that you should analyze USDCHF.
Yes. I saw your USD CHF. The only problem that I have with it is that it has been
Because can you please like the daily time frame? It's on like a retest, a resistance. I don't know if you did so that.
it's
Can you
looking for sells when we are looking at it from the daily time frame, but hey, this thing is not clean, my brother. When are you gonna get the big moves from it?
because currently I'm expecting sales, bro, like
I'm also
honestly.
I'm also I'm also expecting deep sells, but you remember what we are looking at is the DXY, and you see the DXY is buying like crazy, which caused these buys to take place.
Uh,
It caused this to happen, the DXY. Do you think if the DXY continues being positive, this thing is gonna sell?
nah, there's no way, there's no way.
Exactly. So, and also
But
look where
my
look where
question
we
is,
are.
yeah, there's a correction currently happening on the 15 minutes time frame. If like you go to the 15-minute time frame, there's like a bearish flag. See, I'm looking at that as a bearish flag.
Uh, it looks like a bearish flag. Okay. For those of you who don't know the bearish flag, there is your bearish flag. Blah, 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 and blah. That's the bearish flag.
Indeed.
So you have a car. You're looking for sells. And again,
Yeah.
you are on 15 minutes. Can 15 minutes do you any
Yeah,
good?
bro.